Alright, Derek, these questions came in faster than I thought, so let's do some rapid fire.
Okay, let's go.
What do you want to be when you grow
A
up?
trophy wife.
Wait, what?
Or a teen mom.
When did you lose your virginity?
A lady never tells.
What's the last thing you Googled?
How to hide your search history.
Next question, what's in your search history?
I don't know, it's hidden.
When did you find out your mom was a prostitute?
When she told me she was sleeping with Uncle Rick, and then I went to her room and her legs were behind her head, and I was like, bitches do not sleep like that. That's when I knew that one.
What would you do if you were absent from school and that was the day all the firemen stopped by?
Don't joke like that. Don't, because I'll stop playing the game.
Alright, well, last question, I guess. When are you and Chad getting together?
I don't know, it's up to Chad. Chad, why don't you answer?
Never.
I don't want to play anymore.